welcome here. If you are new to my channel, my name is Sydney and I do all kinds of decorating videos here on my channel. As you can see from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a Valentine's Decorate With Me. I have a red and white theme going on behind me for my coffee bar. I also decorated my living room with some neutral decor. If you would like to see what all I decorated for this year for Valentine's Day, then please continue to watch.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
For this vase, I added in some cotton and just hot glued these hearts I got from Dollar General that came as a garland. I made another DIY with one of these hearts you will be seeing later.
Here on the grass, I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no.
envelope was a super easy DIY. I printed off some classic love song music sheets to put inside. I used one of those hearts from the Dollar General garland and hot glued right onto this Hobby Lobby envelope I just picked up. I aged the music sheets with some coffee, and then once they dried, I rolled them up and secured them with twine. I love how rustic and simple it turned out.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick.
So I do love how this galvanized decor here matches over here with this, so it's pretty balanced. I like to keep the bottom shelves decorated with simple decor and then just the top draping some kind of garland to make it very simple. Okay, so for my son's room, I kept it super simple. I just decorated these shelves for Valentine's Day. I used the same letterboard that I used for Christmas since it has the red background. Thought it'd be cute to just do a simple quote. I also took this little mailbox I got from the Target Dollar Spot and I just taped it to his wall, and then I taped some red hearts like it was kind of coming out. The other day, my kids and I made some Valentine's crafts, and I just used these Dollar Tree frames. I just painted them white. They used to be silver. And this one I thought was so cute, Loads of Love. This is an old Christmas ornament that I got from Dollar Tree. I just cut off the Christmas tree and I added my son's picture in the middle. So I thought that was cute and my son thought it was really funny. We also made this puppy dog craft. And this is one of my favorites. It's supposed to look like roses, and it's my daughter's handprint and my son's handprint. And then I also cut out their handprints for this like I love you sign. I also put our other Valentine's inspired books. So I already have some in my daughter's room, so we don't have a ton of Valentine's books, but I just used ones that said I love you, the biggest kiss. So I thought that would be cute, and then we've just been reading through these. I also added in these little signs that I'm not using in the rest of my house, so we can still utilize them. So I wanted to quickly show you my daughter's Valentine's setup here. I already decorated all of this. I just thought it would be easier just to show you since I already decorated it. Here I picked up this pastel pink towel I just draped over her little dishwasher. I thought the color matched perfect. And then up here I just added this Dollar Tree bucket that says I love you all over it, and I just put some of her utensils in that. Up here I just added this pink succulent and this sign that I got from Marshall. Here I added this Be Mine sign from Marshall's, this little tulip bouquet. And then I actually just found this at Hobby Lobby. It says XOXO, and it wasn't in the Valentine's section, it was in the nursery section. But I thought it would be so cute to use for Valentine's Day. So I just draped this little garland on top. On that trip, I also picked up this Eat sign, and I painted it this light pink color to match. It's like almost identical to that color. When I was there at Hobby Lobby, I looked for acrylic paint to match it. So I thought that looked really cute. Over here, I just added this little heart stand where I put her little sugar for her coffee, little coffee maker. Over here on her cake pop stand, I added these little Hobby Lobby rolling pins. I have one that says hugs, and then the XOXO. And then for her little mixer, I just added these little pink ceramic bowls that I got from Marshall's. Also, I usually store extra like dishes and stuff over here, but right here, I just thought it'd be cute to store these little gnomes that the kids can play with. So over here on her dresser, I just have this sign propped. This also came next to that XOXO sign from Hobby Lobby, and I thought it would be pretty just putting it up on her dresser. So above her crib, I have these signs, and I just always like to drape a seasonal garland at the top. Okay, and over here is my favorite section of her room. I have a few Valentine's books. This one, In My Heart, my sister got that for us a while back. Happy Valentine's Day, Mouse. And then this Love Is book is so cute. I just got this a couple weeks ago, and I got that from Amazon. And then 10 Valentine Friends. I just draped more of that garland, and then I just put this Cuddle and Kind doll. I thought the polka dots matched. And this Valentine's puppy dog up here we got for the kids, I think last year, so I thought that looked cute up there. And then down here on this peg shelf, I just have 3 of her heart shirts, and I just put this one here. I just draped it over this tutu. Ray just got this cute camera for Christmas this year. And then this rainbow came from Target. I thought we could use that, we could use this rainbow year round, and it matches really well with this heart garland. Okay, so that is everything for my Valentine's Day Decorate With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and got some ideas to decorate your homes as well. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me